Now how to wear a surgical mask. So सबसे पहले हाथों को सैनिटाइज करेंगे. Now this is a surgical mask. So first of all, how to identify which is the outer side, which is the inner side, which is the upper border and which is the lower border. So outer side in general is more colorful than the inner side. Inner side is comparatively colorless. Now to identify upper border has got a metal grip in the center. So there is always a metal grip in the center, while lower border has no such grip. So hold this mask with the strings in hand. Keep it onto your ears. Now this metal grip, slowly press it and pull the lower border. Try to see if air does not leak from any of your sides, and you can you should always do a fit check after applying the mask, and to confirm if there is an airtight seal, you can do this. So this means that the mask is tight. Few people say that their mask is loosely fitting. So for them I have a trick. So what you have to do, take the surgical mask. This is outer surface and this is inner surface. Hold it like this. Outer surface is outside. Now at the edge, make a knot like this. Open it, and this outer surface at the corner, just fold it inside. And now we are gonna apply it. So not only it gives you an airtight seal, but also your problem with loosely fitting mask will be solved. So you can see at edges also it is tightly fitting and there is no air leak. So on doing this, there is no air leak. And while applying mask, while putting mask, it is very important that whatever air we are inhaling should pass through the mask while entering our nose, and similarly whatever air we are exhaling should pass through the mask, and there should not be any air leak at upper border, at lower border or by sides. Now according to the current Indian guidelines and recommendation, it is recommended that it's advised to use a double masking technique with surgical mask inside, and over it we can apply an fabric mask. So this is a fabric mask I have got. So we are gonna apply it. So that it provides about 90 to 95% protection from germs. So guys, please wear your mask properly and make sure that it covers your nose, mouth as well as chin area, so that the airtight seal will be maintained and it will allow the air to pass only through the mask, which is the main purpose of the mask wearing. And stay safe. Jai Hind.